Hey guys, what is up? In today's video, we're going to show you how to refund items on Roblox. Are you looking for a quick guide on how to refund your items on Roblox? Stay tuned because this video is for you. Alright, so first and foremost, Roblox does not have a refund policy for items purchased from its avatar shop because purchasing an item requires confirmation twice before buying, so in the case of accidental purchase, it's not valid because there are two doors that you need to go through before you finally purchase something, right? But if for some reason an item that you bought is not working or it's scuffed, you can contact Roblox customer service to try to fix the issue or give a refund. So to do this, uh, open the Roblox support form, and step one is to fill in the personal information, which includes your username, first name, email address, like so, as you can see here. Step two is select the device on which you are using Roblox. So, for example, you're using PC, to select whatever, right? Step three is just type the issue that you want to address and report. So this is purchase user Roblox. So and then just you know type the help category, billing payments. Then step four, after that select the place where the item was purchased. Either it was a website item or an inexperienced item. And then step five, enter the details of the issue, including the item name, item number, date of purchase, the issue with the item, and link the item and submit the form. So that's pretty much it. That's the only way you could try to refund is for some reason the item that you bought is not working. But if you just want to refund it, you can't. There is no refund policy from Roblox. So yeah, that's pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon, and we'll see you on the next one.